Namaskar dosto, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Another day, another video. The festive season is coming up. It's almost knocking on the doors. Durga Puja, Diwali, and then Christmas, New Year. It's a long festive season coming up, and I know many of you would be keen on or already having travel plans. तो अगर आप सबका अपना travel plan है and you are most likely to travel, for example, let's consider by flying, by taking an aircraft through the airport, you would most likely encounter people on the journey while going to the airport, inside the airplane, and also while getting down off the plane. So I thought, why not let's make a video on vocabulary which you can use while traveling. Especially for this video, let's consider traveling through an airport. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अमित सेन गुप्ता. मैं इस चैनल के द्वारा आप लोगों को ऑनलाइन इंग्लिश कोचिंग की क्लासेस करवाता हूँ. एंड माय एम इज़ that you should overcome your fear of spoken English. So before we get started, let's hit the subscribe button out there so that you don't miss out any videos in future. And yes, please like this video or comment ज़रूर कीजिएगा, but in English. Please comment in English, because if you don't comment in English, you're never going to learn how to frame your own sentences, frame your own phrases, and frame your reactions to what others are talking about. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So दोस्तों, let's get started. I'll be very honest with this video. I have not prepared a script for this video. So whatever I am saying, whatever I'm talking about is just purely spontaneous, whatever is coming to my mind. I'm thinking in English, I'm describing my thoughts in English within myself, and I'm talking to you through this video in English. So I've not prepared a written script or something like that. So this is the essence of speaking in English confidently. If you want to be confident, overcome your fear of spoken English, you have to first think in English what you want to talk about, what you want to share, what you want to tell. Comprehend that in simple English phrases and sentences. An ideal English phrase or sentence should not be more than 7 to 8 words. That's all, 7 to 8 words. Don't make long, lengthy, convoluted sentences. That's one of the biggest mistakes you would be making if you are on your English speaking journey. Simple English sentences with just 5 to 7, max 8 words. That's all you need. So let's start. For example, I am considering the time of waking up at my house, at my home, until the time I deboard the plane at the destination. So whatever journey I'll be going through in this time span, I will utilize this and come up with as many English phrases or sentences that you will encounter, or you are most likely to speak during this journey. For example, tomorrow I have to wake up at 4 a.m. I have a flight to catch. My flight from Kolkata International Airport will depart at 7 a.m. I have to reach the airport at 5 a.m. I have set an alarm clock for 4 a.m. Let's go to bed. The next day morning, when you are about to wake up, today I woke up at 4 a.m. I had some difficulty in waking up, but the alarm clock helped me. Once I woke up, I went straight into the bathroom. I brushed my teeth and then I took a shower. I freshened up, changed my clothes, and had a small snacks. I had a glass of water. I said bye to my parents. Then I booked a cab. I was waiting for the cab to arrive. The cab came to my house. Hello, Papa. Hello, Mama. The cab has come. Now I have to go down with my luggage. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I will see you soon once I am back. Hello, Bhaiya. Thank you for coming. Let's go straight to the departure terminal of Kolkata International Airport. I have a flight to catch. My airways is XYZ Airways. Now I'm sitting in the cab waiting for the car to arrive at the Kolkata International Airport. I will travel via Chinar Park, VIP Road, Koikhali, and then I will reach Kolkata Airport. I have finally arrived at the Kolkata Airport departure terminal. Let me take out my ticket, boarding pass, and my photo ID card for security clearance. My security clearance is done. Let me proceed to the check-in counter of the airlines. Oh my God, there is a huge queue of passengers waiting for the check-in at the check-in counter. Why didn't I do web check-in? I should have done web check-in. It's always helpful. Let's still proceed for the check-in counter. I have to wait. I have no other option. So while waiting for your turn to come at the check-in counter, you will also encounter passengers in front of you. And you can also strike a conversation in simple English with your fellow passengers, people who are standing in front of you. Once your turn comes at the check-in counter, the staff of the airline will ask for your boarding pass. He or she may say, "Sir, can I have your boarding pass?" And you can say, "Yes, of course, here is my boarding pass. I have one check-in luggage and one hand luggage. Let me put the check-in luggage on the luggage conveyor belt." All right, thank you so much for allowing me to board the plane. I'm delighted to be flying with your airlines. Once your boarding pass is done, you've taken your boarding pass, you are required to proceed for security clearance, and then you will proceed towards the boarding gates. So that's a normal procedure in any airport in the world. So straight proceed towards the security clearance, get the security done, and then proceed towards your boarding gates. Oh, finally, what a relief. My security clearance is done. My security check-in is done. This is my boarding pass. Oh, my flight is departing from gate number 41. Let me go to the gate number 41. But I'm feeling very hungry. I did not have anything in the morning at home. There are so many cafes and snack bars and outlets here. Let me have some quick bite before I board the plane. So you proceed towards a snack bar or a food outlet. There also you can help yourself by talking in English with the counter person, with the staff of the outlet. Can I have this choco brownie and one Americano, please? I would like to pay by cash. My UPI is not working. Once he gives you the bill, you pay by cash. I have a 500 rupee note. Will you have change? And if he says yes, of course you will say thank you. And if he says no, you can request him by saying, "Can you please arrange this for me? I really need this change. I don't have any UPI functioning on my mobile phone." So have your choco brownie and Americano and then proceed towards the airplane for the boarding gate. You have to wait for the airline's announcements and instructions for your turn to come at the boarding gate. Show your boarding pass at the airline counter and proceed towards the aircraft. Enjoy the rest of your journey, and if you have done any pre-ordered meal through your ticket, you will be given that meal while you are being served inside the aircraft by the airline staff. Enjoy the meal, enjoy the view, enjoy the company of your co-passenger if you may. You might also wish to talk to the co-passenger with few sentences like, hi, my name is Amit Sengupta. I am flying from Kolkata to Shillong with this aircraft. What about you? If he says, I'm also flying to Shillong for work, you can say, that's great, that's nice to know. Are you a businessman or into a profession? If he says, I have my own business of leather business, I'm going to Shillong for a client deal. You can say, that's nice. I'm going to Shillong for a work trip. Wonderful. So simple conversations with your co-passengers will also help you boost your confidence as you go along the journey of your own spoken English. So pick up on these opportunities, little opportunities of speaking to a co-passenger, speaking to the cabin crew inside the aircraft. You can call or request the cabin crew, for example, to ask for a glass of water. Hello, can I have a glass of water, please? So use these opportunities while you are enjoying the flight and the view and waiting for the plane to arrive at the destination airport. So दोस्तों देखा आपने how conveniently I was talking straight from my own mind and thinking without looking or without taking help of any script or whatever. This is how you should be thinking, comprehending in English and talking spontaneously in simple English phrases, simple English sentences. Don't make it very complicated. I hope this video is helpful in your English speaking journey. I'd really be happy to hear about your own English speaking journey. Please do leave your comment below about where you stand in your life. What are you doing? Are you a student? Are you a professional? Which part of the world are you in? Which city are you from? And leave your comment in English below. Because if you don't start thinking, talking, commenting in English, you are not going to achieve your goal of speaking in English confidently. So please start that today, start that now. Leave your comment, like the video, hype the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Overcome your fear of spoken English through my channel. I wish you all the best and do watch rest of the videos on my channel.